Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to download Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft's official website. So first we have to go to any browser like Chrome or any other browser which you have. Then we have to search Windows 10 ISO download. We have to click on this first website which is of Microsoft's official website. Then we just have to scroll down. Then we have to click on this option of select edition and we have to select Windows 10 multi edition ISO. Then we have to hit on confirm. Then here we have option to select product language. You can select any language for your Windows. Here I want to select English International for my Windows, so I will hit on English International and then I will hit on confirm. Then after a few seconds our ISO file will load, and here we can see there are two options. First is 64-bit download and the next one is 32-bit download. On 32-bit processors only 32-bit file will work, and on 64-bit processor or 64-bit based processors both 32-bit and 64-bit file will work. So my processor is 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit for me. You can also download 32-bit if your processor is 64-bit, but if your processor is 32-bit then you can only download 32-bit. On clicking any one of these, ISO file will start downloading.